In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's Advanced Search feature to its fullest potential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to find anything you need from anywhere within your Asana workspace, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. To get started first, direct your attention to the search bar located at the very top of your Asana screen. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and wish to streamline your process further, you can simply press Ctrl+K to activate the search function instantly. This is your gateway to finding any piece of information within Asana, no matter how vast or complex your workspace might be. As you click on the search bar or use the shortcut, your next step is to type in whatever information you're trying to locate. This could be a task name, project, person, or any specific keyword related to your current needs. Asana will then go to work, combing through your entire workspace and pulling up results that match your search text. If your initial search yields too many results, or if you want to fine-tune what you're looking for, you can apply a variety of filters to narrow it down. Begin by using tags to specify what type of results you're interested in. For example, you can employ the in filter followed by a colon. When you type this into the search bar, you're indicating that you want to search within specific projects. Simply follow in with the project name, and Asana will refine your search to include only results from that particular project. In addition to project-specific searches, you can also filter your search results by assignee. To do this, use assignee, followed by the name of the person whose tasks you want to look at. This can be incredibly useful when you're managing team tasks and need to see what a specific team member is working on. Further refining your search, you can use with, followed by the name of collaborators. This filter allows you to search for tasks or projects that involve certain people, giving you a tailored view of shared responsibilities or collaborative efforts. One of the great things about Asana's search feature is that it's intuitive and user-friendly. If you prefer using the mouse rather than typing, simply click on the tags that appear under the search bar. These allow you to select filters with ease, making your search process both efficient and versatile. And that's it. By mastering the use of Asana's search bar, you'll be significantly speeding up your workflow while staying impeccably organized. Locating anything and everything in your Asana workspace becomes a seamless experience, allowing you to focus fully on the tasks that matter. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching.